Hi Aces, welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and today let's cue Heather Ferris, who will walk you through today's topic about how to raise your tips with effective customer service strategies. Mastering the art of dealing goes beyond great customer service. It requires deep knowledge of your games and a sharp focus on game security. In this video, you'll learn how to protect the table, boost your hands per hour, and provide top-notch service by being a well-informed, efficient, and confident dealer. Now, on with the show.
Now we're going to concentrate more on dealing procedures and other various topics. We'll start with step number 9, knowledge of the product. Our product is dealing casino table games, and the most important #1 rule when it comes to dealing is game security. Table protection should always be at the forefront of our minds, and everything we do should be centered on protecting the game because that is the most important aspect of your job. Customer service comes second to that. Game protection not only includes protecting the bank, but it also means that you have a good, solid knowledge of the rules of the game. You might be asking yourself, well, how does this make me more tokes? Well, a good example of how game protection can provide dealers with more tokes is hands per hour. If the dealers follow game security and work on their table protection, then one of the things that will happen is that your hands per hour will go up. If you deal more hands per hour, then this means that you'll get more tokes per hour, hence a raise. Like I said before, good game protection means having a good, solid knowledge of the game. Dealers should know the rules of the game better than the players do. If the dealer is weak on the game, or they haven't dealt it in a long time, or if they just jump on the game because, they don't know it and hey, it's a good way to learn, right? Wrong. This is awful for game security, and the only thing that will happen is you'll make a lot of mistakes, or you'll give the players the opportunity they need to take advantage of you. And when players want to take advantage of you, they could come up with some pretty creative ways of doing it. Some of the less creative ways is they would lie about the rules of the game. They would try to convince the dealer that they actually won a bet when they didn't. And when the dealer does make a mistake in the player's favor, they'll take the money without a second thought. Responding with a sense of urgency is the ante to play, which means don't fake it until you make it. Not when it comes to dealing table games. If you want to deal a game, then make sure you learn the game right now instead of waiting until they put you on the table. You can learn a game as soon as your next workday. On your break, instead of going to the break room, go to the game that you want to learn and sit there and actually learn it. Ask the dealer how to play and watch them as they deal. When you feel comfortable, ask the floor if you could be shadowed on that game. Now keep doing this until you know the game and you feel comfortable enough that you could deal it alone. Not only should dealers have extensive knowledge of the games that they deal, but they should also be knowledgeable about the property that they work at. It's always good to be able to provide help to the guest. If you don't know anything about your property, then how can you answer a question that the guest asks you? Every dealer is responsible for knowing about the property. You should be able to respond to normal questions such as the location of shops, bathrooms, certain pits, elevators, exits, and the cage. Not only is it good to know the location of everything, but it's also good for the dealer to know what activities are going on at the casino. Is there a concert or an event going on? Players often ask about showtimes and other event information. If the player asks you something you don't know the answer to, then call over your floorman and ask him.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel so that we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this really remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button is only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all of these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it is worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your toke numbers via our toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out our other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first toke board, and so much more all on our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until next time, stay lucky, Aces.